Our journey begins in traffic, heading towards one of the most popular stops near Baguio. Local transport fills the road, showing just how busy this route can become on a popular day. Arriving at the Strawberry Farm area, souvenir stalls line the way. Visitors move from stand to stand, and the entrance feels more like a small market than a quiet farm. Vendors sell strawberry, mango, and avocado shakes, perfect for the heat. And nearby, fruit stands display oranges, apples, mangosteen, and other produce, giving the area a bright, local market feel. Before reaching the fields, we pass another section made for people with green thumbs, showing that this area is not only about strawberries, but also about local farming and gardening. Now we start entering the actual farm area. The greenhouses and rows of crops stretch across the valley, with mountain homes rising in the background. Walking closer, we reach the strawberry picking area. Farmers manage different sections of the field, and visitors can pay to enter the rows and pick their own strawberries directly from the plants. Inside the rows, the strawberries appear in different stages. Some are still small and green, others are beginning to turn red, and white flowers show where new fruit is starting to grow. It makes the picking experience feel more like a small scavenger hunt. Looking closer, the plants reveal how much is happening at once. Flowers, green berries, and ripe red strawberries all grow side by side. Holding one up against a field makes it easy to see why this farm has become one of the most recognized places near Baguio. Continuing through the rows, more ripe strawberries begin appearing underneath leaves. Some are hidden low under the plants, while others stand out immediately with their bright red color. The more you look, the more you start noticing them everywhere. There is usually a set price per kilo, and you can pick and choose your strawberries and fill the containers, and there's really no limit on how many you can take. And there isn't just one farmer, it's a lot of families that operate their own strawberry fields. Leaving the strawberry rows, the farm opens into areas growing other vegetables. Bright green lettuce stretches across long rows, showing that this valley produces more than just the famous fruit. Nearby, we reach another section filled with broccoli plants. The leaves are large and textured, and tucked inside them are heads of broccoli beginning to form. It's a reminder of how important La Trinidad is as a farming area for the region. Even here, a few visitors are happily picking leafy greens from the field. Rows of bok choy and other vegetables grow nearby, and the farm feels active, practical, and connected to local food in a very direct way. Near the end of the farm walk, we come across a row of sunflowers. After all the green fields and strawberry rows, their bright yellow petals add a beautiful touch before we leave the farm behind. From the farm, we make our way towards the Benguet Provincial Capitol. The road climbs uphill, passing buildings and local businesses before opening onto the Capitol grounds. From this higher point, the view stretches across La Trinidad. Mountains surround the town, buildings cover the hillside, and the same busy road we traveled earlier can be seen moving through the valleys below. Looking straight down the road, the traffic tells its own story. Cars, jeepneys, and local vehicles continue moving through the center, showing how active this part of Benguet becomes throughout the day. Leaving the capital area, we take a narrow shortcut through the neighborhood. This path is tight, with concrete walls and fencing on both sides, but it gives us a quick glimpse into the smaller walkways locals use every day. At the end of the walk, we arrive at San Jose, the Husband of Mary Parish Church. From the outside, the church has a clean, modern facade, but stepping inside reveals a warmer interior filled with columns, statues, and golden details. The center aisle leads to the altar, where angels, benches, and polished floors create a peaceful atmosphere. People are beginning to gather for service, so the visit feels quiet and respectful. One of the most unique details inside the church is the strawberry design wrapped around the decorative columns. It connects the church directly to La Trinidad's identity, where strawberries are not just a crop, but part of the town's image and culture. As the service begins, I slowly look across the church one last time. Moments like this show how often travel moves between public landmarks and private community life. Leaving the church, we return to the busy streets. Jeepneys and motorcycles pass by, and once again, local transportation becomes part of the story. From here, we ride towards one of La Trinidad's most recognized attractions. Through the window, colorful hillside homes begin appearing, stacked in layers along the road. This area is known as the Bosa, also called Valley of Colors. Many of the houses are painted with patterns, flowers, butterflies, and strawberries, turning an everyday neighborhood into a large public artwork. Regarding the houses, all of the approximately 150 to 200 houses were painted in multiple bright colors to form a giant cohesive mural. Crossing the bridge gives us a closer look at the community. Tourists stop for photos, locals continue moving through, and below the bridge, the river cuts through the valley between the colorful homes. If you enjoyed exploring this part of Benguet with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on the next adventure as we continue discovering food, culture, and hidden gems of the Philippines and beyond.